Love the look of stained concrete floors, but just not the price tag? Get the look and long-lasting results using all-in-one stain products available in 8 beautiful colors. First step is to prepare the surface using our Surface Prep Deglosser. Then apply the color of your choice and remove with a soft rag to create a mottled effect. On this concrete covered porch, we decided to do a two-tone effect using the color tobacco for the top, and for the band we chose the color espresso. Once dry, all-in-one stain does not require a top coat, although you can add our water-resistant sealer to create a wear layer to protect your design for years to come. You can learn more about our budget-friendly ways to update your home by visiting our website at allinonepaint.com today. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.